All right, DD India's Dr. Ahmed Muin Farooqi joins us live from Colombo to talk to us more about it. Dr. Farooqi, walk us through how this case reached the stage of him being arrested and what were the key developments and what's the latest you can tell us.
Abhishek, you see, this particular incident has been taken up by the Criminal Investigation Department since earlier this year. They had investigated into the visit of the former president to various countries. And in fact, earlier in June this year, the former president's secretary was also investigated, was questioned with regard to the visit. Thereafter, the former president was asked to present before the Criminal Investigation Department and record a statement, after which he was arrested on these 3 counts. There were 2 counts under the Sri Lankan Penal Code under Section 386 and 388, which talks about misappropriation of funds and dishonest handling of the position that he was assigned to, and the Public Properties Act 5(1). Which talks about the penalty that would be imposed on misusing public property. So both these all the 3 charges were presented before the 4th Magistrate Court yesterday. The 4th Magistrate then later at night at around 10 p.m. Refused the bail application, although there were mention of health conditions as well as the treatment of his spouse and taking care of her, who is battling cancer. So despite all these reasons mentioned, the 4th Magistrate had denied bail and remanded him to police custody till August 26th. Now, this is for the first time ever that a Sri Lankan head of state has been arrested and charged on accounts of corruption. And this is something which is a new development in Sri Lanka, because so far nothing of this sort has happened ever. While at the same time, this also raises a few questions. In fact, the opposition leader, who is currently Mr. Sajith Premadasa, he had tweeted saying that how is this possible that a YouTuber has raised this point even before the arrest could have happened. In fact, one YouTuber by name Sudatta had mentioned that Mr. Wickremesinghe would be arrested and remanded to police custody. And this was one of the points which Mr. Premadasa said that this amounts to a controversial kind of an arrest in itself. While at the same time, former Minister Ali Sabri also mentioned that this will bring about a cycle of hate and retribution. While at the same time, in the parliament, lots of discussions have happened yesterday with Minister Bimal Ratnayaka, who's also the leader of the House, mentioning that the law is equal for everyone. It can be a common man, it can be a former president, or whosoever it is. So lots of discussions and allegations back and forth have taken place. But for now, the former president, he has been placed in Velikada prison. He was later on admitted to the prison hospital on the advice of the doctors there, given his health conditions. And he will remain there till 26th. Before that, we'll have to see if there's any further development that could happen in this, Abhishek.
Dr. Farooqi, also legally now, what happens next? How long can he be held and what do we expect when the next hearing is due on 26th?
See, 26th will be the next hearing when the 4th Magistrate will take it up again and decide further if the remand has to be further extended or if the bail application has to be considered. There's also a possibility that the Public Properties Act, the offense under it is normally it's a non-bailable offense unless and until there is an exceptional circumstance leading to reconsideration by the court itself. That is provided by the Public Property Act. So it needs to be seen if the court would be interested in taking it up as an exceptional case or not, and if the defense would be able to produce any credible evidence saying that this has not been a misuse of funds. So it has to be seen on Tuesday if there would be any further development from the court side, if the court would continue the remand to the police custody or would reconsider an application for bail or any other development would happen, Abhishek.
All right, Dr. Farooqi, we'll leave it at that. Thank you for getting us the latest on that story.